Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel Smart Index Edge. It wasn't easy bringing structure into the market, understanding how it really functions, watching the moves of big money while being a small trader myself. But the hardest part was psychology. Every day, news flooding from all sides, conflicting foreign investors and DI data, brokerages upgrades, downgrades, opinions everywhere, my mind constantly divided. Which is real, which is fake. I was not able to discriminate between the news. And I realized as small traders, our psychology is left behind. Noise hijacks the mind. Focus slips. Confidence wavers. That is when I need a system, something that rolls with the price itself, something that keeps balance. And so my journey began coding, designing, testing. First pillar was rolling pivot moves with the market, tells you when balance shifts. Second pillar was Gann Hilo Sentiment Tracker, adds color, emotion, and clarity, shows the market's mood. Third pillar, CPR plus volatility contraction, catches the extremes and quiet periods. And the wild expansion. Together, these three indicators form a complete ecosystem. The journey was not easy, but now even a small trader can trade like big money, calmly, confidently in perfect balance. And that is the power of these three indicators. Trading with big money mindset is the thing which can be achieved with the help of these three combination of three indicators. That is rolling pivot reversal magic and CPR plus VCP and Gann Hilo. And the third one is dynamic color changer Gann Hilo. So everything combined together, it brings market structure into your hand. You can trade with calmness, quietness, and with good mindset. This combo indicator brings you prosperity and success. You will success. It teaches you, it guides you, it teaches you where you are going wrong, when you are in control, and it allows you not to disturb by all the noises. So you will be trading with calmness and quietness and you will be successful. So contact me on WhatsApp number 9845209600 for access to premium indicators and trading guidance. Disclaimer, this video and indicators for educational purpose only. This is not financial advice. Trading and investing involves risk. Please do your own research or consult a financial advisor before acting. Happy Deepavali, wishing you prosperity, joy and smart trading with the rolling pivot, Gann Hilo and CPR. This is powered by Smart Index Edge, Nalinakshi Swami Indicators. I built it, I trust it, I am proud of my indicator. So friends, don't delay. Contact me. You will be successful. You will be successful, definitely. Many people who have bought my indicator, I'm getting feedback with them. I'm happy about it. They are making money. They are learning it. Learning with the indicator. It is like a webinar. It is like a tutorial. It is like a teacher. What more you want? You are not spending much money on useless things. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.